Hi everybody, this is Marin with 321 Strong, and today we're going to be foam rolling our biceps and brachialis muscles here in the upper arms. To begin, you want to set your foam roller down on a nice flat and even surface. We're going to sit next to the foam roller and placing our palm down, arms extended, we're bringing our upper arm down to the foam roller right above the inner elbow joint. From here, we're going to gently pull our chest towards the ground or just set it down towards the ground to increase the pressure. And we're going to roll our inner arm up towards our shoulders. Your hand is off the ground. And we're going to be looking for those hot spots or trigger points. If you find them, go ahead and try to relax there, applying more pressure by bringing your chest closer to the ground for 30 seconds, breathing into it before continuing to roll back up to the lower shoulder again, down to the upper inner elbow joint. We're going to be rolling back and forth for 10 total repetitions before taking the roller to the other side and rolling that side as well.